So let's take our first look in Azure Copilot. So for that, go to the Azure portal and click the Copilot button right here. So click that and let's type our first request. So type here, show list of all the resources in the subscription sorted by type, and hit enter. And now let's wait for Copilot to do its magic. So we can see here the results of the query, and we do indeed see here the first 5 resources that we have in our subscription. Of course, in your case, the list will be different, sorted by the resource type. Now, viewing this as a list is not very comfortable, so let's format the results as table. So simply type in format results as table and hit enter. So let's wait for that. And here is the list now formatted as table, which is much more convenient to read. Now let's scroll up a little bit, and you see that as part of compiling the list of resources, Copilot created a query which it then ran to get the list. Now you can see that here we have a button with the run text. So now click that. And note that now we have Azure Resource Graph Explorer open, and here is the query that Copilot used. And when viewing that in Graph Explorer, then we can see the full list of resources that we have. Again, of course, in your subscription, the list will be different. So Azure Copilot not only shows us the end result of what we asked, but also how it arrived at this result. So in this case, we see the query that it ran against the Azure Resource Graph. And we can use the exact same query in the Graph Explorer to view the full results. So congratulations, you just used Azure Copilot to view information about your resources. And in fact, as we will see later in this course, it can do so much more. And we are going to cover its capabilities in this course. So now let's move on.